Hey everyone, let's go over some pre-market. We have some crazy news over the weekend with the missile strikes, and the market's actually up a little bit. So let's go over what I plan on doing this week. We got KBH, Nike, Micron earnings, but also make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Really need help out with the YouTube algorithm at the moment. So let's get in first to our good friend Nike. This is a Billy Ackman play. He is down about 30+% since he bought that position, and he continues to get crushed on his investment. Remember, we caught it when it was what, 91, I want to say. It's like up in, or maybe it was 81, something up in here, and now it's down under 60. So Nike, we did see these August 62.5 calls. I don't mind, but this was the big trade I like, is the weekly, so June 27th, 58 puts, about $659,000. Nike has had a history of crashing. If you look last quarter, we had a pretty big gap down from about 72 down to about 65. Here, no move. And then here we had a big gap down as well. Here you had that massive gap down from about 94 down to 77. So I do have some puts. They were up about 25% already, but I plan and want to see some more aggressive Nike put buying. Hopefully around $500,000 to over $1 million as we get on the way. Of course, put buying can be protection against a long stock position, so please note that. And always trade small during earnings. KBH, this one gapped up last quarter. But what I do like about KBH, home builders, people are pretty bearish because home building is slowing, quote unquote. That's what the mass media will say. But again, do the opposite. So we saw some August 55 calls, pretty aggressive. They were bought above the ask, and some December long leaps, a couple weeks ago as well. So I do like this one. Bad chart. Bad charts usually go up on earnings. Say the same thing for Nike. Nike will be a short squeeze. Again, we could get into more about the fundamentals, but honestly, I don't really care. Kim Kardashian is launching a skin line with Nike apparently, though. So, hey, gonna do well. Micron, this one has already ran up into the earnings event. So, this one I kind of feel like you missed the boat. We did see a big order in the June 18th. We saw over $1 million in the August 135 call. So this is long dated. But again, you're kind of chasing, the stock is up, over about 25% in the past couple weeks. So again, you're kind of chasing this one. So not one really on my radar because it's up too much. And usually when stocks already run pre-earnings, analysts upgrade them. When analysts upgrade a stock, usually goes down. So again, do the opposite of Wall Street right there. I know a lot of people are saying gold should be going up with everything going on in the Middle East. Well, gold is going down so far this morning. Really looking for a break of gold. A crash would happen under 31.21, but I'm usually a gold bull, but if gold can't go up with everything going on, what makes it go up? And then silver starting to see a little toppy here. Silver probably pulls back to about 35. So nothing crazy. Silver obviously has been outperforming gold, and then the crypto is really not going up as well. Again, they want to pin Bitcoin at 100K, so just keep it there. And then crude oil not doing anything either, despite everything going on. So kind of weird to say the least. You do have some high flyers. These are the IPO stocks like Circle. This one has been pretty parabolic, up, 100% in a few trading days. And then Core Wave, you're seeing that one as well. This one's gonna break 200 probably very soon. So can't really play it. The options are so expensive. Probably do put spreads, sell put spreads, or do call spreads if you do trade it. And then Hood looks really good as well. This one will probably hit 100 by end of the year. And then the other one I like is Hims and Hers. They make the ED drugs. You look for a breakout over the prior high. Well, I don't know, here must have been news. You take out a prior high here, you can set your alert, then you take out 72.98, and we run up to 100. So a few trade ideas, of course. If the market does go down, hedge yourself via cheap puts. You can do the Qs, you can do the SPOs. VIX or VIX call spreads I would recommend, but trade small, nothing to do crazy here. I do like this tranny name. Oh, I'm gonna get canceled. Transportation, CSX, I have a big position in this one. Well, not really big for the small account. But when we do get some earnings, and you're seeing a lot of cheap out the money calls, maybe a merger with CP. I would hope, because I would make a ton of money. Of course, I'm just talking my book, but look at the rails, look at industrials. Anywho, make sure you like, subscribe, I'm out.